Well, a little departure from the metalworking. I was going to incorporate this into another video, but I think it might stand alone. So enjoy, guys. Well, here we are back in my store. This is attached to my house. Got a loft up here. This is mostly my belongings back here. This is a friend of mine. He's got the church pews. These are silkscreen frames for clocks. Printer's drawer, giant bedposts, thousands of dowel rods. There we go. So a neighbor down the street, I would say a quarter mile away, had a desk she wanted to get rid of. And I thought, man, what a great work platform. Here's some furniture, a little miniature church pew I put together by utilizing, parts and pieces. What he would do is go into a church with a chainsaw, and he would just start chopping these things up in 8-foot sections or so, and leave one end on it, and then he would sell you the bench with one end attached and then one end loose. Well, for a little bit or a lot more money, he would put it all together for you. So there's my little church pew. There's a big steam jacketed kettle, double jacketed steam kettle for cooking vast amounts of soup and whatnot. Some lockers. Anyway, the desk. So this is the desk. I got. So it's obviously not your average desk. So here's the desktop, and I don't know, 60 by 60 maybe. It's basically a double desk, as if you would push two desks up against each other. So I'm thinking some 4 to 6 inch casters on this thing. Maybe mount a table saw up underneath it, or inset a table saw in it. But I think I'm rather keep it open as a workspace, a nice, semi-flat surface. I'll clean up one of these areas. Maybe half this area with the low ceiling, and run some electric around the walls, maybe up through the floor into the desk. Then have myself a little work area. I could probably do wood. I don't see myself doing any wood, but my wife could do projects out here. So what else is out here that might interest you? I got a bandsaw that's in storage. So somebody else's bandsaw. And there's just furniture here. There's a NASCAR hood back here somewhere. A keyboard. Just really a bunch of junk, I think. A set of windows, a couple pairs of windows back there, double hung windows. Where's that? Here's a bench that I got recently. This is the same guy I got this from the same guy that, let's take this over into the light so you can see it. Got this bench from the same guy that, gave me the 3-phase motor for Craig Tate. Pretty stylish, I think. You know, all cast iron. That's one way to look at it, I guess. And yeah, got the big double desk. That baby is made of that's oak. That's 3/4 inch oak there. And I think the top has like a vinyl flooring type material on it. Some of these drawers have lock sets on them. Okay, just want to, oh yeah. So they're about a 1/4 mile down the street from me where this desk came from. So I basically strapped it to this cart. Might look familiar from my king size mattress move. But I strapped that to the cart, basically just the way you see it here, and pushed it down the street to my house. In the door, onto the rollers, and yeah, there it is.